Hi students, today we are going to be working on 8.3 and Big Ideas Math. So we are still doing addition problems. So in 8.1 we did adding by tens, 8.2 we did subtracting by tens, but we are going to be working with mostly addition equations in this section in math. But for this activity, it's asking us make a quick sketch. Ooh, that's one of your spelling words. Sketch. Sketch to model the problem. 40 plus 50. You're thinking, Miss Schultz, both of those numbers are really big. But we're going to do something that's very easy peasy for us to able to solve that problem very fast. So it's asking us to make a quick sketch. So we have the number 40, and remember, so we look at the tens place in 40, and that's 4. So we'll draw what? The long rods to represent tens, and that, yeah, I'm going to undo that guy because it looks like an L. So we have one line to represent 10, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have 40, and then we look to our ones place, and we have 0. So we don't have to draw any ones for this problem. And then we look into another problem. We have 50. So we can. How many rods do we draw? We draw 5 because 5 is in our tens place. So we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's asking us what we can do to sketch this problem to make it quicker for us to solve. So what we could do is count by 10. So we could do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 40 plus 50 is 90. So how many tens are in 40? What's in the tens place? It's 4, and 0 is in the ones place in 40. And then what about 50? Also 5. Also 0 ones in 50, but 4 tens in 40 and 5 tens in 50. And then if we put them together, we get 9 tens. Because if we write the number 90, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in our tens place, and we have 0 ones in our ones place. So it'll only be 9 tens because 9's in the tens place in 90. Okay, and let's check our work. We did it correct. Now let's go try another example, and then I'll let you guys practice on your own. So for this example, we have 30 plus 30. So let's draw it out. So there's 3 in the tens place in 30. So 10, 20, 30, and 0 ones. And then we move on to 30. So it should be the same exact model because it's the same number. So we have 3 tens because 3 is in our tens place in 30. And also, since it's the same number, we're going to put 3 in the tens place. But when we put them together, what number do we get? Well, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we count by tens, we get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So if we write the number 60 on our paper, 60 looks like this, right? 6 in the tens place and 0 ones because we don't see any dots floating around to represent our ones place. But we have the number 60. So 3 tens plus 3 tens is 6 tens. And then 30 plus 30 is 60. Let me put the right number down. But also, I want you guys to be able to mentally do this. I don't want you guys to work out this problem because I want you to already know in your head, okay, 30 plus 30 is 60. Because if you, let's see, I'm going to clear out this section. So if we look at 30 plus 30, you want to add the ones place with the ones place and then the tens place with the 10 place numbers in the numbers you're adding together. So if we look into our ones place, yeah, I like to add my ones place and then work my way up when I'm doing addition. But we have 0 and 30 in the ones place, and we have 0 and 30 in the ones place in the next number. So nothing plus nothing is nothing. So we'll have 0 in our ones place. But then we move on to our tens place. We have 3 plus 3. And I know you guys already know what 3 plus 3 is. If you hold up 3 fingers on one hand and 3 fingers on the other hand, and you put them together, you get how many fingers in total? 3 on one hand, 3 on the other. It makes what? 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So when we do this problem, we would get 60. So, but I want you guys to be able to mentally do that. So 3 plus 3 is 6, but we have that extra 0, so that'll make that number 60. Let's check our work, and we did that correct. And that's all the examples I'm going to show you for the lesson 8.3. But if you're confused and need additional help on this, let me know. I'll be happy to work with you during my office hours or during school hours. Just let me know. Thanks. Bye.